Hello, Earl Musick here with UC Ranch Properties, a division of United Country Real Estate out of Grangeville, Idaho. And this is a beautiful little property back here. I've got a little over 200 and just shy of 220 acres. Most of it is pasture. You can see there's a creek back in there. There's also a developed spring. This is fully fenced. There's some cross fencing. There's some beautiful corrals down here. And right here is some hay ground. At the other end is some hay ground. So it's a great little property. And hopefully that sunset's really coming through on the camera because it's just beautiful out here. If you have any interest, please let me know. We also have some property right across the street from me. This is farm ground that I'm looking at. And there's also a house, bunch of outbuildings. Just a great property out here. So if you have any interest in living in the North Central Idaho area, please give me a call.